Do you ever wonder why our ancestors lived healthier lives despite having less medical technology? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? In today's world, despite the leaps and bounds in medical advancements, we're seeing a rising tide of chronic ailments. From heart disease to diabetes, these modern maladies are becoming all too common. But let's turn back the clock to a time when natural remedies were the cornerstone of healthcare. For thousands of years, our forebears relied on the bounty of nature to treat and prevent a plethora of health issues. These time-tested remedies, often dismissed as old wives' tales, are now gaining recognition for their efficacy and how they can beautifully complement modern medicine. One such powerful natural remedy is the humble clove, a spice that is packed with numerous health benefits. So, let's embark on this journey together, exploring the medicinal marvels of cloves and how they can help us lead healthier lives. When you think of cloves, you probably think of a fragrant spice used in cooking. But did you know that this small aromatic spice holds a plethora of health benefits? Let's start with their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cloves are packed with compounds like eugenol and vitamin C, which are known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These components help our bodies fight off harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting our cells from damage. Next up is their ability to improve digestion. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of digestive issues. They are known to stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in efficient digestion and preventing issues like indigestion, bloating, and constipation. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Research indicates that compounds in cloves can mimic the function of insulin in our bodies, helping to control blood sugar levels. This could be particularly beneficial for those managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. Moving on to bacterial infections, cloves have proven to be quite the adversary. They contain compounds that have antimicrobial properties which can help fight off harmful bacteria. Studies have shown that clove oil can inhibit the growth of certain types of bacteria, including E. coli. Last, but certainly not least, cloves are a secret weapon for oral health. They've been used in dental care for ages, thanks to their antiseptic properties and their ability to fight off oral pathogens. Chewing on a clove can alleviate toothache and bad breath, and clove oil is often found in natural mouthwashes and toothpastes. As you can see, the small but mighty clove is a powerhouse of health benefits, making it a worthwhile addition to your diet. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't hesitate to sprinkle a little extra clove into your dish. Your body will thank you. Let's delve deeper into the health benefits of cloves, shall we? Cloves, with their distinctive aroma and flavor, are much more than just a spice to add to your favorite dishes. They are tiny powerhouses of health benefits, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties are primarily due to a compound called eugenol, which makes up a significant part of the oil derived from cloves. Eugenol has been shown to help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes by fighting inflammation and oxidation in your body. Now let's talk about digestion. Ever felt discomfort after a heavy meal? Cloves can come to your rescue. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. This leads to better overall digestive health and can help prevent problems like indigestion and constipation. Next on our list is blood sugar control. Research has shown that cloves can help manage blood sugar levels. They contain compounds that help the body use insulin more effectively, which is crucial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the disease. One of the lesser-known benefits of cloves is their ability to ward off bacterial infections. The antimicrobial properties of cloves can help your body fight off harmful bacteria. This makes cloves a natural alternative to some synthetic antibiotics. And last, but certainly not least, is oral health. Ever wondered why cloves are a common ingredient in dental products? Well, that's because they can help fight oral infections and reduce toothache. Plus, they are known to freshen breath, a bonus we all can appreciate. These benefits all stem from the potent compounds found in cloves, including eugenol, flavonoids, and fiber. So the next time you reach for your spice rack, remember that adding a pinch of cloves to your meal is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health booster too. To summarize, cloves are much more than just a kitchen spice. They are a treasure trove of health benefits that are too good to overlook. Packed with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, cloves can help your body combat various diseases. Their ability to improve digestion is a boon for those who often struggle with digestive issues. Moreover, cloves play a significant role in controlling blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. especially for those managing diabetes. They also have the potential to fight off bacterial infections, adding another layer of defense to your immune system. And let's not forget about oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries to relieve toothache and promote healthy gums and teeth. So next time when you're in the kitchen, remember that adding a few cloves to your meal does more than just enhance the flavor. It can also boost your health in a myriad of ways.